Hey everyone, it's Laura with Everyday Edits, and I'm here to share a really quick craft you can do in a matter of minutes. The only wait time or downtime is the drying that's involved. So this is what you need. Branches, I use these from my yard. You're gonna want a paint and primer spray paint, and then this is what you're gonna want for the last step, the snow. You can find the snow at a craft store. I think I've seen it at CVS and Walgreens. So look for this. And you're gonna want some kind of cardboard to put your branches on because it does get messy once you add the snow spray. So you start with these, lay them down, spray with the primer and paint, let it dry, flip them over, spray it again, let it dry, and then comes the fun part where you get to add the fake snow. And you just wanna do the same thing. Spray the front of the branches, let them dry, flip them over. And then to add more texture, I just went and repeated those steps. And I absolutely love the look. And I basically made these from my home with just a few pennies. So enjoy.